What is up, guys? We are talking portable SSDs here. Yes, as you can see, I have a couple of them right here. In the past, I've always depended on Samsung branded portable SSDs because they've been the most dependable for me. Now, portable SSDs shine in the fact that you can carry it wherever it is you want to go. Transfer all your information, all your videos, your photos, whatever important documents you want on these tiny little devices and move it from one device to the other. You can use it from one laptop to another desktop computer to another desktop to whatever it is. But where this really shines for me is the fact that it's very portable and it works really well with this right here. Yes, my mobile phone. Yes, I do a lot of content creation on my phone now, and I need to move all those videos, all those photos onto a portable SSD because these phones don't hold much. Now, what's great about all these portable SSDs here is that they work really well for that reason. So if you're looking for something that's portable, that's small, easy to carry, and designed for your laptop and computers, yes, but also works well with your mobile phones, then these are really great choices. So this one right here is the Samsung T7 here, one of my favorites, has a transfer speed of about 1,050 megabytes per second, which is really fast. On the other hand, over here, we have the Samsung T9 here, and this is super fast. This comes in at about 2,000 megabytes per second, so about double the speed of the T7 here. That's why I upgraded from this in the past, but I still have a lot of information and data that I store on here and still use to this day. Now, take a look at this one right here. This is the Crucial SSD here, portable SSD here. And this is just as fast, if not a little bit faster than the T9 here. Yes, in the past, like I said, I've only used Samsung products, but I decided to pick a new portable SSD up from a different brand, this Crucial brand. And so far, I've been very, very impressed, particularly about the data transfer speeds. Now, right off the bat, you can see how much smaller this Crucial portable SSD is. You can see the size of these here and how small the Crucial SSD really is. The T9 right next to it, you can see it's much smaller. It makes it so much easier to basically put into your pocket and take on the go. But like I said, the main benefit of this is the fact that it transfers data at a much faster rate, and that's why I love it. Now, let me go ahead and show you how this works. So I told you that I do a lot of data transferring from my phone to the portable hard drive here. Now, in the box, you also get this Type-C, the Type-C cable. All you have to do to use this on a mobile device is plug one end to your phone. I'm gonna go ahead and do that. And then plug the other end to the Type-C at the end of the SSD. I'll go ahead and plug that in right here. And when that happens, it'll load up your files here. You can see I've got it loaded right here, and it pulls up the hard drive right there. So let's go ahead and try out this transfer speed with some big video files here. Let's go ahead and go back here. I'm gonna go to my internal storage and find my videos here. I know I've got some pretty big videos right here. You can see right here, this is about 3.3 gigabytes right here, and that is a large amount. This one down here is about 4.25 gigabytes. So these two videos here, I'll go ahead and select both of them here. This one right here and this one right here is about 7.5 gigabytes here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy this and I'm going to move it over to the USB storage or the Crucial right here. I have a folder already created called Reviews right here. I'm gonna go ahead and hit this copy here button right here, and you'll see how fast it really moves. You see that? Usually the bar for about 7.5 gigabytes will be very slow to move, but look at this transfer speed right here. As I'm talking right now, it's moving in real time, 2100 megabytes per second. This really is very fast, and I love the fact that it's able to transfer this quickly. It's done. There you go. Now let's go ahead and go back to my storage here to show you the USB storage, the Crucial SSD here. I put in that reviews file. You can see my videos are right here. I'll go ahead and hit one of these and go ahead and play that just to show you that it does work right there. I'll go ahead and stop that. Awesome. Very easy to use. Transfers large files very quickly. Awesome. So you guys can see that the Crucial portable SSD works really well, just as well as these bigger name brand Samsung portable SSDs over here. Now, I will say that Crucial isn't as big name brand as the Samsung ones over here, but to be honest with you, it works just the same. If you're looking to save a little bit of money and you're willing to try a different brand, this Crucial brand right here works really well. Definitely a portable SSD here, I recommend.
We hope this review helps.